Welcome guys to another video of my monthly update series. So two things about that name of the series. First up, it's not just about the channel anymore now, so I just going to call that monthly update series now instead of monthly channel update series. And yeah, the monthly thing, in the future it will be monthly again. As you may have noticed, I did not make a video of the series in January, at like the 2nd or 3rd of January for December, so there's that. But I basically just covered everything in the Christmas and New Year's videos, so doesn't really matter. Okay, so basically now there are three things that I'm going to talk about in each of these videos here now, and that I'm going to update you all on. So the first thing is always going to be the Pexteria in-game stuff. So that's essentially, if you, slept under a rock or haven't watched my videos, then Pexteria is the Minecraft server that I'm hosting together with Explore, which is a good friend of mine. And well, as you can see, we have a blog post that's actually down here. So this was back in December. I actually did talk about that in the last video, I think, and probably also in the Christmas video and stuff, but we started the second season of Pexteria at the 1st of December. And since then a lot of stuff has happened. As you can see, we've started building the town of Pexteria with a beautiful Christmas tree, and we also had some Christmas gifts and stuff over the holidays. We updated to 1.15, we built things and infrastructure and long bridges and undergrounds and enormous iron factories. And now the last thing that the current thing that we're working on is establishing kind of a sort of government. I mean, we have 4 towns at the moment, with maybe more in the future, we'll see. If you wanna found the 5th town or the 6th or whatever it's going to be, then you're open to do that. Just join the server and gather 3 people together, I guess. Yeah, exactly. So we are now founding the United Towns of Pexteria. So this is going to be kind of the organization that should coordinate all the towns, or all the towns that wanted to be part of it. But we're still in the process of figuring out the nitty-gritty details and stuff like that. Okay, so this should be kind of it with this update part. Let's talk a bit about programming. So Pexteria programming is the second kind of topic. That's all about this right here, this GitHub repository. So what changed? What did we do? What did we work on? I'm not going to show you that like live. I mean, I could click on this login button on here now, but then you would be able to see like lots of applications and stuff like that. So basically what we did is we renamed this button from staff login to login, and that was kind of it. No, just kidding. So before that you could only log in if you're an admin on Discord server. And if you click that button, you go to this like Discord OAuth site where you have to log in with Discord account, and then you can authorize us, our website, essentially to see your data, like your Discord ID or your username. And yeah, before that we just used that to check if you're an admin on our server or not. Now we are actually checking what roles do you have, and based on that you get an access level, and that access level then determines what you can actually see in the admin interface. So that's pretty cool. Right now, if you're not an admin, you're not really seeing a whole lot there, but I am definitely working on that right now. It's just taking a bit more time because I'm kind of working on building like kind of a nice framework to do some of this stuff. So I already built like a framework for pop-ups that I could have shown. Let's actually see. I do have let's just go to that site. Yeah, no, I don't have this thing launched right now. So whatever, doesn't matter. You'll be able to see it in the future for yourself in the next video, hopefully. Because I'm currently working on a bulletin board where you can post things and read things, and that maybe with some Discord integration as well. And then there's also planned features like town management through there, so you can like create a town through the website and you can manage your citizens through there and do things and stuffs, you know. Yeah, so that's all going to be pretty cool. But that leads us now to point 3, and that is YouTube. So yeah, YouTube. There are now 3 sub-points to this third point, because there are now 3 YouTube channels that I'm involved in. The first YouTube channel is the Pexteria channel, which is a channel that I'm not running just by myself, which is kind of weird. I mean, it's not really weird, but it is kind of a thing. So yeah, let's take a look here at the Pexteria YouTube channel. So we just have 1 video up right now. I mean, actually we have more than that. We have some old videos here from the old server. As you can see, May 2017. That is that is old, basically. But there's 1 new video, as you can see up here, finishing up the Forgotten Tower. So that is made by Explorer, who finished like an unfinished building in our town, which was actually a pretty fun video, I have to say. Analytics wise, there isn't really a whole lot going on here, except for that this design again is kind of new, but yeah, that is kind of fun, I guess. Let's see, what else is there to it? Your channel got 57 views in the last 28 days. Wow, that is amazing. We're at 29 subscribers right now. Wow, that is this looks so new. And YouTube apparently hates monitors that have a resolution higher than Full HD, so yeah, you can also take that for what it's worth. Reach, oh yeah, views increased by over 999%, same for impressions. Click-through rate is actually like 100% on that Monday. Wow. I mean, 1 impression, then 1 click, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, there isn't really like analytics that are too like on point. I think we have just 1 video up there right now. So let's just switch over to TX Tech up there. Oh man, I have so many channels in here. All creators are obligated to take action to comply with the children's online yeah, I don't care. I already did that. See? I already friggin' did that, you guys. Okay. Yeah, so the first 4 videos here are now actually up. So these are like the first 4 videos, like kind of an overview over what NetData is, and Grafana and Prometheus, and then how you can install that old software. So yeah, that's kind of my my NetData series, where I'm going to show everything around NetData. I already have some other pieces of software in mind that I could do similar video series on in the future. I have also like lots of other video ideas generally over like Home Lab, some one-off videos as well. Yeah, I haven't really heavily like advertised the channel on like somewhere I could have like uploaded these videos or posted them like on Reddit and several places, but I just didn't do that. I'm just going to kind of experiment around here a little bit and make stuff and see where it's going. Maybe post some stuff in the future, but I still want to get kind of a little bit better at these kinds of videos. So we also have that here as well. Top videos in this period. Well, there aren't any other videos, so there might have be that to it as well. Half an hour of watch time. Well, 5 subscribers, 22 views. Yeah, this is going like pretty high up here. So in a few days, my impressions click-through rate won't be at 100%. So expensive apps now to Hollywood Hindi dubbed movies. What the hell? What is this? I have no idea. This is really interesting. And well, as a last little thing here is TXT, the main channel. And yeah, well, we broke the 700 subscriber mark on that one, so not too far off of the 1000. We could actually do that in this year, I think. We'll have to see. I mean, I'm not really putting like any effort into the channel anymore, so there's kind of that. But well, we'll see. We'll see where this leads us. Oh wow, I have like green check marks here because I'm doing great or something like that. Oh, your channel got 3,331 views in the last 20 days. That's similar to the 2,600 to 3,600 views your channel usually gets. Wow. Yeah, like generally the channel has been doing pretty well now over the last little while here again. As you can see, January is... I have no idea how it compares to the previous period now anymore. I see my typical range, but where's like percents? Okay, here are now percents. Okay. And why doesn't I put it to January and then I go to... Oh, it's still January. Okay. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. Impressions up 15%, impression click-through rate actually up by 9%, views up by 20%, and unique viewers also up by 20%. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, well, I mean, all my videos here are like the train tutorials. The factory headless tutorial is actually also doing pretty well. Constant commands pretty high up. The DIY VPN server. Yeah, these types of... I mean, this video is doing so well. That's kind of what gives me hope that TX Tech is also going to do well in the future, because this will basically be lots of these videos, like these style of videos, where I might be lucky, and when I get like ranked high in the YouTube search and Google search, then they will actually do probably pretty well. Engagement, so the average view duration is also going up. Oh yeah, this is like going perfect. And now we could also look at December, because we didn't do a video there, and there everything went down. Okay, maybe don't do that. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I think we're done here now. 13 minutes, 45 minutes. It's not like the longest time, but there's like stuff to talk about in terms of new stuff, but I can't really talk a lot about that, because the problem is if I make like too many announcements or talk about too many video ideas now, I kind of have to do them. And there isn't really a lot of past stuff that I can show that is interesting. So we'll just leave it there. So I guess see you all at some point in the future, next month, probably. Other than, have a great time. See you all then. Bye bye.